Hello everyone, my name is Aanchal. I'm fashion faculty at IMSPR. Today I'm going to teach you the basic drawing tools used in CorelDRAW. CorelDRAW is a vector-based software which is used in graphics and as a drawing program for fashion illustrations. As you can see in the toolbox, the fourth tool is the curve tool, also known as drawing tool. The shortcut key for this is F5. When I click the arrow, you'll be able to see all the drawing tools here. First is the freehand tool. This tool, with the help of a mouse, lets you sketch curves and lines. Essentially, it is used for sketching. The Bezier tool, it helps to draw curves in the shape of solitary line per point. Basically, it is used to make block figures. Pen tool, it helps in sketching curves in the form of a node. This tool is the fastest tool to make symmetrical designs. 3-point curve, it helps you in drawing a curve first by identifying the start and the end point and then its center. 3-point itself means start, end, and center. Click, drag, and drop tool. I'll teach you later on. Polyline tool, it lets you sketch curves and lines in a preview mode. It is basically to give the continuous straight lines. Artistic media tools, it helps in assessing the sprayer, brush, calligraphic preset, and pressure tools. It is basically given to give effects to the garment. Dimension tool, it helps you sketch a horizontal, vertical, oblique, and angular line. And the interactive connector tool, it lets you combine the two objects accompanied by a line. These two tools, dimension and interactive connector tool, are not commonly used in fashion. These are interior based software. So the first common tool is the freehand tool. For example, I want to make a skirt. So I use freehand tool. So you can see, although it's an auto smooth mode, but still the shape I want to give is not appropriate. If I want to give a proper silhouette, I won't be able to give through this. So this is not a tool which can be used for proper drawing. Second is the Bezier tool. This is the most common and most accessible tool of CorelDRAW. First, you make a block figure with this. Then you go to shape tool. The second tool in the toolbar is shape tool. Shortcut key is F10. Then you go to select all nodes and then convert line to curve. You can see now my all lines are converted into curves. I can give any shape to the garment silhouette. If I want to give the flare here, I'll double click on the node. If I don't want this, I can remove by double clicking. And if I want to add, then I have to click on the line, double click. Then you can see I'm giving flare. See how much stable it is. I can move it to any shape. Okay. Then we have artistic media tool. As I told you, artistic media is for effect. I can make animal print out of it. I can use these effects for my illustrations. The theme parties. But this is again not meant for drawing. Then we have 3-point curve tool. It is also a very important tool if you want to give flair, or you can also draw with this. Suppose I want to make a skirt again. Click, drag, and drop is the technique. Again, I have to click on the node, last node. Click, drag, and drop. Again, click, drag, and drop. Again, click, drag. But you always have to make sure that all nodes are closed from the corners. But we don't use this tool basically for drawing. We use it for the falls. You can see. Now I'm going to give you a demonstration on skirt. I'm using Bezier tool again. You can see here, I'm making a block figure first. Then I'll go to shape tool. If I want, I can give individual curve to the line. Suppose I want to give curve here. I'll click on the center part, right click to curve. Then this line will be curved. But this will make only one line curve. If I want to give curve to other, I won't be able to do it. If I want to give curve to every line, each and every line all together, I'll select all nodes and then convert line to curve. Now I'll be able to give curve to all the lines simultaneously. Whenever I click on the node, you can see the arrows here. You can give upward, inward curve, whatever you feel like. I'm randomly filling the color from here. Okay. Now, if I want to increase the length, I can select both the nodes like this and I can increase the length also. Now, if I want to give flare, I can double click on this line and give curves. Now, if I move one node, another will also move. So, and now, 3-point curve will be used to make fall. I hope you have understood the basic drawing tools. So basically, if you want to make a skirt or any garment on CorelDRAW, I would suggest you to use Bezier tool. Bezier tool is the most stable tool used in CorelDRAW. Thank you and have a nice day.